how to get the Cash App card under 18. To get a Cash App card as a minor, you need to have a parent or guardian to create a family account on their own Cash App. So what you can do is basically go ahead and open up Cash App, and your parents should be having a verified Cash App account. From their account, you can go over and tap on the profile option at the top. And once you are here, you can just go ahead and scroll down and look out for the section called Family Accounts. So head over there and tap on it. Once you tap on it, here you can go ahead and invite a teen, or find the option to create a family account and invite the teen, and the teen will be guided through the step setup process where they'll enter their name and date of birth. So tap on it, and here they can just go ahead and follow up the process, the setup process. Then the parent must then approve the final request for the teen's account to be set up, and after the approval, the teen can then order their own Cash App card, and teens can send and receive money instantly with their friends and family. They can use this available link, and when they follow up the process, once you send the message, they will be getting all the features and benefits for a teen under 18 for Cash App. And a debit card will be available, allowing for secure deposits and sendings, and parents can monitor the teen's account activity, set spending limits, and turn merchant restrictions on or off, and that's it. So therefore, if you'd also like to get the Cash App under 18, you may follow up this method in order to do so. So I hope this information was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.